Good morning and welcome to another weekly weekend reset. Except this video is a little bit longer because I started filming on Saturday. Saturday turned into Sunday. Sunday turned into Monday. And then I thought, heck, let's just make it a full week's worth of cleaning. Grab your favorite drink, pick a room in your house, and let's clean together. Now, on the actual weekend, like you could see at the start of this video, I do have a routine that I go off of. I start clearing everything off of the tables, the couch, and the floors so that I can start the robo vacuum. So that's always my first thing that I'm doing, picking up things, picking up the chairs off the floor so that I can make sure that the robo vacuum can get under all the places. I also end up cleaning more of the rooms in the house. Normally I'm only focusing on the kitchen, living, dining room area for the weekly weekend reset, but I wanted to kind of expand further into the house and get more done in this particular week because we had a lot of things happening for the next 2 weekends. And now that we're caffeinated, we're going to pick some music and we're going to get started with the cleaning. Can you guess which one I'm going to pick today? Getting a little closer. Yeah, we're going with pink today. And while I would absolutely love to sit here and chit chat with you guys for the entirety of the video, it is about 16 minutes long. So enjoy the video. We will be getting into the kitchen, living room, dining room, as well as the loft and a lot of laundry throughout the week. Also, at the time of recording this voiceover, it is the following Saturday and I'm getting ready to do this week's weekly weekend reset. So with that, I'm going to slap on some copyright-free music. You guys enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao! Sunday morning, so it's now day 2 of our weekly weekend reset. So I did start yet another load in the wash and then in the dryer, and I just folded a load as well. So this is what the house is looking only a day after I cleaned it yesterday. So I'm just gonna really quickly clean that up as I'm making breakfast. We got another load washing and drying. The pile has shrunk, but if you guys remember how it was actually last week. Oh my god. We're doing pretty good here. There's a couple things here that we need to give to whoever they belong to. I'll take those right there. So they need to take whoever, actually that's mine. Alright, welcome to my loft, everyone. It is now mostly picked up. We have these that need to be folded. Those are dirty clothes that need to go in the laundry and trash, and then some things that need to go downstairs, as well as random things up here that I need to put away. But between you and me, I never did. Not going to get to this area today or even this week, but hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. We've made it halfway through the week. We're starting off with switching the laundry.